my gosh, the struggle is real. Hoy, magkuhan ko bag. Magkuhan ko kay favorite na ko ni ka bag. Uy, of all the pleasures and the time. Ako ni, hoy, ako rin. Maguba na po ding bag. It will be ruined by the likes of you creatures. Anyway. Oh, wala lang. Flex ko lang. 1 minute. Okay, wag mo. Asang 1 minute? Nawa lang 1 minute. Anyway. So, by the way, this is my most favorite bag on earth. It's called Paco Rabanne. Rabanne. So, it's nice. Pero, siguro, okay, additional content, bonus pa more. So, nakoy dog. Pilit, come here. Come here. Actually, it's hide and seek ni siya na dog. Pero, friendly kay siya and very nice dog. It's very nice. It doesn't bark. So, thank you for not barking. Pero, compared to the size of the bag, ing-ani siya. That's why it's the cutest bag for me. Anyway, goodbye.